back with you today. I'm here today to draw the winner of our monthly giveaway. Now, if you're new to our channel, and there does seem to be quite a few new people, so hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us. We pick a video from the previous month, and all of the comments on that video go into the draw to win a prize. Now, this month our prizes are going to be 5 $10 digital gift vouchers to purchase digital product from our shop. And the video that I have selected for this giveaway is Mum's Paper and Lace Scrap Buster. So we had 80 comments on that video, so let's go ahead and pick our winners. So our first winner is Stacey Lynn 3102. Our next winner is Kathy Jackson 378. Our third winner is Maz. Congratulations, Maz. Our fourth winner, Tonya Hannon 8362. And our last winner for today is Sue Fryer 2991. Oh, a couple of names that I recognise there, ladies who comment an awful lot on our videos, so thank you so much and congratulations to everyone. You will find a link, you will find our email address in the description box below. If you could just send us over an email and we will organise to get you your $10 digital gift voucher. For everybody else, don't worry if you didn't win this time, there will always be another chance next month. Thank you again for helping us out by commenting and liking our videos. It really does help. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye.